Hello, and welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, I will show you how to create this beautiful tassel. We're going to make it together, and then we are going to apply this to this balloon rainbow behind me. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. First, let's go over materials you're going to need to create your tassel. Here I have two different colors for the tissue paper. You can easily order that on Amazon, and it has a variety of different colors that you won't be able to find in your regular party store. You will also need some binder clips. I have them in a size large. You will also need a ribbon. And to attach your tissue to your ribbon, you will need a stapler. We will use scissors to cut our tissue, and let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to use 4 tissue papers at a time. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Just don't take too many tissue papers at a time because it will be harder to cut. Or if you will take just 1 tissue paper, you can easily rip that. We don't want that. Now we have 4 of our tissue papers, and we are going to fold it long way, like so. Simply just fold it in half. So now we need to use our binder clips to keep our tissue paper in place when we cut it. So I'm simply going to attach it to the corner of where we fold it in 3 spots. All right, like so. So now from the open side of our tissue paper, I'm going to be cutting the strings roughly 1 inch. If you have a mat, you can use that. If not, you can just simply eyeball it because nobody's gonna go ahead and measure the width of your strips. So here on my mat, I have them 1 inch. You can also use a ruler if you wish to do that. But then again, I just use it as a guideline, but I kind of still eyeball it. And then you cut it. So we're going to cut a string, but we're going to stop about 1.5 inches or like 2 fingers from the end of the tissue paper. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to do that up until the very end of the tissue paper. All right, so this is what it looks like. Again, I'm only using 4 at a time because when I'm going to be putting my tassel together, I will be using 2 at a time for each row. Okay, all of our tissue paper is pre-cut, so now we're going to separate it. Separate it and take each tissue paper one by one. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to scrunch it a little bit. And by doing that, it will help you so much when you'll be putting the tissue paper on the ribbon. So simply scrunching that at the base. You don't have to really put too much thought about it. Just make sure it's like more flexible when you curve it around. So we're going to scrunch it, scrunch. And we're going to do it with every single one of them that we have. So that's what it will look like. Just don't rip it. So now we are going to take our tissue paper and we are going to wrap it around our ribbon. We will skip about 3 inches and start it from over here, making sure that our tassel looks down. We will wrap it around, kind of scrunching a little more along the way. Make sure you're kind of keeping it even when you're wrapping it around. see, because we scrunched it over here, our tassel looks fluffy versus flat. And now we're going to take our stapler and we will staple it once or twice, really depending on how you feel about it. I have a very mini stapler here. So if you have more of a heavy duty, you can use that. Pretty much any staple works. So we have that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the two of the same tassels at a time, same color, and then I will alternate that going up until I'm out of all of the tissue paper. So now we are going to cut a ribbon. I would say leave it about 2 to 3 feet, really depending on how you're going to attach it. And I'm going to show you like 2 options. So cut. And now we are going to hang it on our rainbow. Again, you can simply thread this ribbon through the balloons, tie it and attach it, or you can take a loop of 260 and tie it to a loop of 260, and then with a loop of 260 just loop it around the balloon anywhere you want and call it a day. So I'll show you both. So tie, tie, tie. I like to create double knot for everything, so let's do another one. So the one with 260. And here you have it, another version of the balloon tassel. Here we use it for a rainbow display, creating a tail. You can make it shorter or longer or mix the colors. You can also use the same tassel for your helium balloons or just to add it to your display. Cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will see you in the next video.